Hey y'all, and good morning. Bulldog here, and today for our first adventure, I know we said we were going to do the thermostat housing. I've still got that on order, waiting for it to come in. But I have to replace on my truck, I'm going to replace the HVAC mode actuator. It's right here. This little device is located right here underneath this panel on the floor. Under that panel and almost directly above the accelerator. It's back in there. So armed here with my socket set, just a basic socket set. We don't need all that. We're going to go ahead and remove the screws so that we can do this. As you can see, there's one here and there's one here that need to be removed. We're going to remove both of these, and then this panel pulls straight out. I'm going to pull that straight off. Then there's a nut held onto a box back here. We're going to remove that nut, drop that box down out of the way, and then we should have full access to where we're going. It's right in there. I know it's hard to see, but we'll get to it and we'll start taking this stuff off and see how she goes. Okay, so we just removed the two Torx head. This is a Torx 15 used to remove those, and now all we do is we take this panel and we just pull it straight back, just like that. There's your hood release attached, so we're going to go ahead and tuck that right there. Now, there is another screw, bolt, nut, whatever. It's a nut that we have to remove, and it is, let's see, where it is. It's going to be right here, I believe. So I believe we're just removing this nut right here. So we're going to remove this one, and then that box should fall down and we can move it out of our way. All right, so I did forget one little step here. Before we can remove that nut to get to it and move that box, we have to remove our ducting right here. This is the duct comes off the AC system and blows to your feet. So that we have to remove, and that's really simple. On top of this, you see this little Christmas tree? We just have to remove that, and then that pulls straight off. So just remove that Christmas tree right there. Duct is loose, it just pulls straight out, and we can move it out of the way. All done there. So we got the nut loose. It's not on the front, it's one on the back. It's directly behind these two right here, but down. It's right here. It's where the screw is located at. So I know it's kind of hard to see, but you'll find it's just holding this box on. So now with that removed, we're just going to lift up on this because there's a little hook in the top there. Slide it down. Move that right out of the way there. So that can sit there on the dash. All right. Now, next thing I got to do, let me get my light out so you can see what I'm looking at here. We need to remove that part. Yep, right there. And it's just two screws. So we're going to take that out and replace it with the new one. All right, so we got the old one off now, and it is time to put the new one on. This gimbal's getting on my nerves, but we're going to put the new one on. Just got to plug it up, screw in two screws, tighten everything back up, put everything back together, and then it will go. Now, if this position is not where it needs to be to line up with everything, all you have to do is turn your key to on with the engine off. Don't turn it all the way over where the engine comes on. Just turn it to on. It'll turn the dial in there and reset that to its starting position, and everything will line up at that point. So let's get this on and get it going. So we did get that in. It came on. Apparently my record didn't work when I recorded last. We got it in. We tested the dash vents, worked great. Did the flooring, worked great. Defrosting flooring, great. And then the dash vents and flooring worked perfect. So everything on that truck just worked great now with the new part in there. And I reran all the codes the diagnostic on it, see if there was anything else that was missing, and there wasn't. It came back completely code free. So yay and hoorah to that. So hopefully if you need one of these changed, you now have enough knowledge armed that you can get one changed in your 2017 Chevy Silverado as well. So once again, this has been Bulldog, where it's our goal to keep you out of the doghouse but keep you in the shed. So from Bulldog's Tool Shed to you, thanks for stopping by. Next project, just hang out and we'll figure one out. Talk to you later. See ya.